Hey, welcome. This is Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and this video I want to let you know about the 21-day emotional cleanse program that I am doing starting May 17th. And basically, if you are feeling weighed down physically, emotionally, and you're feeling anxious and maybe overwhelmed with all the changes that are going on right now in our lives as we move through this COVID phase, and if you're feeling, foggy and cluttered inside, and you feel like you don't have clarity about, which direction to go in, or maybe there is all kinds of self-doubt and self-worth issues that are coming up for you, which is holding you back and sabotaging you from, your dreams and your goals, then maybe this program is for you. It's kind of like an emotional detox program. And basically we will be using the EFT tapping tool, of course, to let go of not only the current stresses, the current anxieties about the future, but also the past, right? Those emotional cobwebs that we are consciously or subconsciously holding on to, that are keeping us stuck and going in circles and not really being able to move forward with confidence and clarity and strength. So if you feel like you're in this emotional fog, mental fog, and if you feel like this might be something that might be interesting for you at this particular time, I'm posting the link below for the details of the program, so feel free to check it out. And if you have questions, feel free to post your questions on this link, or email me, shalini@eftthailand.com. And if you decide to join the program, which is starting on Sunday, May 17th, then I'll see you on the other side. And thanks for stopping by, and I hope you're well and safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.